Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome in if you are new here. Today we have an unboxing of a Diamond Art Club canvas. Yes, I'm excited. I actually should have had two, but I don't know where my other one is, as a matter of fact. Let's check. Let's check Amazon. I had a order from Amazon too. And I've been waiting on very patiently all day today. Let's see where it's at. Okay, it says it's on the way, but I don't know where it is. It's not on the map yet. So we'll unbox this one, and then when that one comes in, I'll do a whole nother Diamond Art Club video. But we are unboxing Shea Butterfly Babe by Raw Sushi. Really excited about this, you guys. It's another beauty. I kind of want to already kit her up. I just want to kit her up. I haven't even taken the plastic off yet, so sorry for crinkling noises. Okay, I'm going to treat this as, you know, some people may be watching and may have not seen what's in a Diamond Art Club kit just yet, a toolkit. So I'm going to show you what's in the toolkit. You get one of these diamond painting pens, one that you twist. Am I twisting it the right way? I'm going to twist, 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 twist. Oh, you're going to twist it, and there it is. Putty, I think it's putty that's in here, comes out. And then you have a 4-placer at the other end. Then you also get a bag of baggies, just in case you like to kit up in baggies. You get, oh, maybe this is wax instead of putty. Oh, I guess it's a wax pen. You get an extra plate of wax for your pen. You get a 7-placer, a heart-shaped plate of wax, and then you get this diamond painting tray that comes with a cover and a stopper over it. Yeah, I thought it used to say Diamond Art Club on it, but apparently it doesn't. Then you get a thank you for your purchase envelope. You get one of these like little trading card things. Of course, I got bronze. Apparently everybody gets bronze. Hardly anybody gets silver or gold, I think it is. But you get these, you collect these, and then you can trade them in for, I think, gift cards and other things, like a custom diamond painting eventually. Here is our sticker sheet, which she has 26 colors in here. And let's open up the diamond painting. Oh yes, it's not that big of a canvas. I really didn't pay attention to what size the canvas was when I bought it. So, okay, so from top to bottom, here's our girl, our black beauty. 26 colors, round drills. It is a 41.8 centimeter by 54.8, or if you're talking inches, 16.5 by 21.5. The illustrator is Raw Sushi, or artist, if you will. She's beautiful. Looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special drills on her. Where are the diamonds? Let me grab my chair. I don't normally take the diamonds out, but since I'm probably gonna be kitting her up very, very soon, I want to see the special drills. So we have 785, 3371, which is a dark chocolate brown. We have some 310, 6032, which is brown. We got an 838, which is a dark brown. 6031, which is another brown. 967, which is a peach color. We got some more brown here. Lots of browns. And this is probably where our special drills are. Okay, so we have some ABs right here, number 117. Looks like we have some fairy dust drills, Z973 in yellow. Some more browns. We have fairy dust in white. More brown, more brown. Ooh, and then we have the gold metallics. The K444. More browns. And we have fairy dust in orange. Z722. And then we have these two neutral colors. So the K444, the metallics, are going to be going, whoops, in her hoops, her earrings. Some of the fairy dust drills are going on the outline of the butterfly here. Does she have number 1? Where's number 1? Number 1, which is the AB, is going on the outline of the butterfly here. She's absolutely stunning. I just need to work on this ASAP. And let me see, the fairy dust drill in white is going in her eye, the whites of her eyes. Now, the one thing that you may notice is the dotted lines on the canvas. No, it's not on the canvas. It's a perforated cover sheet, and I worked with one of them in my previous canvas, boho braids, and it was very easy to work with. It was very easy to tear. It was wonderful, and I barely had to use my cover sheets, my normal Diamond Art Club. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my release papers from Diamond Art Club. They're double-sided. You can get these on Amazon. There's 200 to a pack. These are also awesome if you don't like using a cover sheet or you don't want to use the perforated edges. Just saying. And these are about, yep, they're the same size. Oh, here. They're the same size square area. So I think these are 4x4. So I think this is a 4x4 area, which is pretty cool. So that's it, you guys. I think I gotta find somewhere to kit it up at, but I am going to be kitting her up and starting work on her probably today. I didn't think this canvas was going to come in until maybe Monday, but she got here a little bit sooner, which I'm really ecstatic about. This is really beautiful. And I did pay, let me see, does it say it on the sheet? Oh, I threw away that side of the sheet. I think I paid like $40-something for her. She was on sale. Well, she wasn't on sale. She was $40-something, and then I got a % off. I don't remember what the percentage off was, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. I will be having a another Diamond Art Club unboxing of a smaller, I believe it's a smaller canvas that came from Amazon today as soon as it does come in. And it's a Smurfs painting. I am a big Smurfs fan. I grew up on Smurfs. So yeah, I bought a Smurfs painting for a smaller canvas to try that out also from Amazon. So stay tuned for that one. And let's just get to it. If you are new here and you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified of any new videos I upload or post. If you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed your time here today. And without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful weekend coming up, a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.